Ed Holmes here for Red Tractor Nation. I'm here with Roger Masset, and he is from Redfield, South Dakota. And he's going to show us his international pickup. We're going to talk about this Cub back here, and we're going to talk about this bee. Now, Roger is 84 years old, and he has survived pancreatic cancer, broken pelvis, open heart surgery, and still going strong. And his son Steve says you can't put him down. You can't. How much land you still farming?
Well, I'm getting to be kind of a has-been. You see, I got out of the cattle business this year, and I'm tapering out. But anything you do is capital gains in this world.
Oh yeah,
it's just terrible.
All right.
Yeah. Well, okay. Yeah.
So you're gonna get out of farming?
I'm working at it. I may never get completely out.
I hear you're still got about 6 quarters, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You're just hanging on there. Yeah. That's just, you know, that's a section and a half in my world.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
so if you go down that way 1.5 miles and then you go over that way 1 mile, that's what you're still farming. That's not a small piece of land for at your age.
No.
But
I got a lot of help.
Okay, good for you. There's a bee over here, and you know the guy that bought it brand new. Who's that?
My dad bought that brand new. I think I was 8 years old.
Okay.
So I've done everything you can do on this bee, plus a few things you shouldn't have done.
Oh, should we know about that or not? So what did your dad get this bee to do? What did you do with it on the ranch farm?
I cultivated a lot of corn. I used to cultivate ahead of my dad and skip 2 rows, and he'd come back, you know, pick up that. Cultivated, it mowed hay, raked hay, it pulled a drag, and I think it did a little sowing even with a grain drill.
Wow.
And manure spreader too, you know.
But you like cultivating with it
because wonderful.
Because you can see where you're going all the whole time.
The only thing is the row on that side, if you get something stuck in it, it takes the row on the other row.
Oops, because you can see that side.
Yeah, you don't look over there very often. So the other thing about this little tractor is right here. See how little this is?
On that, yeah.
Well, if you hit a badger hole,
you gonna break it off?
See, and there's 2 little marks here, one on each side.
Uh-oh, you bent the front bolster under, huh?
But it didn't hurt anything.
Okay.
So it's been broke, yeah. No, it's been a good tractor. Good tractor.
Good tractor for serve the family well.
Yes, it does.
So you've got a truck here that you saw at an auction that you liked, but who did you know before you even saw the truck?
The salesman in Aberdeen, South Dakota, Bill Engelbrit, sold this brand new to some old guy that didn't want to shovel grain off.
So the guy didn't want to shovel the grain out of that because it has grain sides and stock sides.
So he ordered it with a hoist underneath it.
So this thing's got a tip bed.
Yeah.
Service and sales.
So this is an International B120 dump truck.
Well, yeah, kinda. So yeah, so them hubcaps, the guy at the sale headed to town just shortly before the sale, and somebody stole the hubcap.
Somebody stole one of the hubcaps off of it.
You see they got eyes on them, and they're big, stick out, so they're hard to find.
Yeah, because the hubs on these stick way out.
It's hard to find, but I'm lucky down at this show I found one. The guy's going to be sending me one.
He's going to send you one?
On my approval.
So he said, don't give me the money now.
That's right.
I'll send it to you.
Yep.
You open it up. If it fits, if you like it, send me the money.
Yeah.
If not, just send it back.
Can you ask for anything better than that?
No, IH family is always the best kind of family to have, right?
I think you're right. You're right.
So you guys saw the Cub here at an auction, and your son picked that up. That was, you say that's the year that you got pancreatic cancer.
Yeah, I paid him for it, don't get me wrong. Yeah.
You paid him for it.
Yeah.
So, but there's something that you like to do with it because it has the single point fast hitch that they put on, which is unusual for a Cub lowboy, because the Cub lowboy and the regular Cub, they're different, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
They're different, and the implements. If you want to try to use a Cub with implements and you have a lowboy, you have to have the right implements for the lowboy. But there's something that you like to do with this. You've made something for this, which is you've got a big seat.
A kindergarten bus seat.
Okay.
They're about this wide. You know,
okay.
2 people could fit on it real easily. So when I get a guy on hand like him,
so you mount it back there on the fast hitch.
Stick it in there. You're looking ahead. You see, one thing with the Cubs, you can visit with each other because they don't make much noise when they run. So anyway, you pop the clutch a little bit, and you're doing wheelies and all that.
Me and one other good-sized guy, we can
not even too big a guy. You know?
we can look like we're going down the road on a hot rod, couldn't we?
Yeah, we could. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun.
So have you farmed with red all your life?
Yes, pretty much. My dad was a red. That's what I grew up on. Yeah, my dad had a Minneapolis tractor for a while, but then he got a IH tractor. I'll push the button here.
I thank you that you consider me that important.
Oh well.
Okay, now I know you're getting ready to load up everything. Go take your picture for the show book for the Red Power Roundup 2020. Your son is one of the co-chairs, so you got to be proud of him for that. He's probably calling you to see where you are right now.
Here, answer this. Anyway, I feel pretty privileged. I have been selected to lead the parade all 3 days.
Good for you. That's an honor.
It is.
That's quite an honor.
It is.
And it's been, for what they were up against here, pulling this off this year.
Yes.
Chapter 21, South Dakota of the International Harvester Collectors. They've done a fantastic job. This is a fantastic fairground. I like it a lot. It's got a lot of trees on it, which is great because you can always find some shade. And I've been to several Red Power Roundups, and I say so far this is one of my favorites.
Well,
everybody here's been great. They had great show, great turnout, a real variety of tractors, and you got to be proud of your son.
Yes, I am very proud of it. A Monday ending a show is a bad time because people got to be to work on Monday. So
I know.
when do they leave? They leave on Sunday.
They live on Sunday and they miss a lot. So.
Yeah, but that's just the way it is. We're lucky to be able to get the fairgrounds scheduled in, you know, because there's 4-H business and all that stuff. So it takes a lot of stuff. Yeah.
So they were up against a lot this year, and hopefully when they try to get it again in about 6 or 7 years, then we'll see if we can talk Steve back into it. We can have another Red Power Roundup here in South Dakota.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Masset, thank you very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You've been a real great guy.
Yeah.
I'm proud to meet you.
Okay.
This has been Ed Holmes for Red Tractor Nation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you for watching Red Tractor Nation.